Here I have OnePlus 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings, and here we have to go to the touch and hold shutter button and select take a burst shot. And now by holding down shutter button, we can take burst shot just like this. So as you can see right now, I took like 20 shots, and here I can review them. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.